Hey, Chloe. Can you say hi, Kennedy?
Hi, Kennedy. Hi, Kennedy.
Can you wave?
Where's Kennedy?
Well, maybe I'm going to send this to her. Can you say hi, Shari?
Hi, Shari.
Say miss you.
I miss you.
I love you.
I love you.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
So that's not a very good dance song.
When Kenny has glasses on.
Yeah, Kenny has glasses on. Do you like her glasses?
I'm so cheap. Okay, glasses.
You want to see Kenny with her glasses?
Yeah.
Okay, when we get home, she'll have her glasses. Okay? Hey, Ruby. Ruby. Can you say hi, Kennedy?
Hi, Kennedy.
Can you say hi, Charlotte?
Hi, Charlotte.
Okay, miss you guys.
Hi, Kennedy.